Welcome to English Guetta online virtual classroom. Today, I am going to teach a novel, Blue Sky by Toni Morrison. Before jump to novel, let's learn about the author, Toni Morrison. She was born in Lorain, Ohio. She was an African American fiction writer, essayist. Her novels became famous in 19th 17th century and 19th 18th century. She won numerous awards for her novels. She got the Pulitzer Prize for Beloved in 1987. She was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1993. She had created African American characters who struggled to live their lives as full individuals with their tragedies. Her characters overcome the brutality of slavery, racial and economic oppression. Toni Morrison wrote different novels such as The Bluest Eye. It is her first novel. It was published in 19th century. Then Sula, Song of Solomon, Tar Baby, Beloved, Jazz, Paradise, Love, and A Mercy. Let's see overview of novel. The Bluest Eye, a novel, was published in 1917. The novel is set in Toni Morrison's hometown of Lorain, Ohio in 1940 to 41. It is divided into four main sections that are named after the four seasons of weather: autumn, winter, spring, and summer. There are so many characters in this novel, but here we will see major characters only. Piccola Breedlove, the protagonist, an 11 years old black girl. She is abused by everyone. Second character is Claudia McTeer. She is a narrator of parts of the novel. She is 9 years old. She rebels against adults' tyranny over children. She is also against the black community's idealization of white beauty standards. Sammy Breedlove, Piccola's 14-year-old brother. He copes with his family's problem by running away from home. Next we can say Coley Breedlove. He is Piccola's father. He is impulsive and violent. He suffered humiliations in his early life, so he takes out his frustration on the woman in his life. Last, Pauline Breedlove. She is Piccola's mother. She also believes that Piccola is ugly. This belief has made her lonely. Let's talk about the novel. The novel opens in the fall of 1941 in Lorain, Ohio, US. Claudia McTeer, 9 years old, and Frida, 10 years old sister, live with their parents. In this novel, Piccola is a main character. She comes to live with McTeer family. Her father recently hit her mother and tried to burn down house. She always believed that whiteness is beauty. She begins to think that if she were prettier, her parents would be nicer to each other and to her. She wants bluer tie in order to change the way she is seen by others. In school, Piccola is also teased by boys and girls also. Not even in school, but neighborhood also hate Piccola. Piccola's mother, Pauline, loses herself in romantic fantasy and church songs. She goes to work in white people's house. The novel, through flashbacks, explores the young years of Pauline Breedlove and Coley Breedlove. Coley was abandoned by his own mother. He was brought up by his aunt Jimmy. He went to one place to another place to find woman. He met and wed with Pauline. In present time, while Piccola is washing dishes, drunk Coley rapes her. His motives are largely confusing, seemingly a combination of both love and hate. Piccola's mother, Pauline, arrives and finds Piccola unconscious on the floor. Piccola tells her mother that her father raped her, but Pauline does not believe this. After raping Piccola a second time, Coley flees
leaving her pregnant. All people wants the baby to die. Only Gloria and Frida pray that it survives. They plant marigold seeds in the hopes that if the flower blossom, Piccola's baby will survive. But at the end, her baby dies. Piccola begins to lose her mind. She believes that she has blue eyes. Thus, the story ends.
Dear students, I hope you learned from this video. Thank you for watching video.